The Lodge. L9OG3 cast iron round griddle is a remarkable product that is sure to impress both professional chefs and home cooks alike. With over 10 years of writing experience as a product marketing expert, I can confidently say that this griddle is a must-have addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this griddle is its material. Made from high-quality cast iron, it offers excellent heat retention and even heat distribution. This ensures that your food cooks evenly, resulting in delicious meals every time. Additionally, the cast iron construction makes the griddle incredibly durable, allowing it to withstand high temperatures and heavy use without warping or cracking. Another noteworthy feature is its induction stovetop compatibility. This means that the griddle can be used on induction cooktops, opening up a world of possibilities for those who own this type of stove. Whether you want to sear a steak or cook pancakes, this griddle will provide you with exceptional.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.